Hey there, virtual learners. Welcome back to our channel where we provide guidance, tips, and tricks to help you navigate your virtual learning journey. In today's video, we'll show you how to access our daily Google Meet session live with me, Mr. Bondi, the Instructional Technology Specialist here at the Virtual Learning Center in Virginia Beach. Let's get started. First, as always, we're going to start in ClassLink. In your Chrome browser, select the Home icon, which will then take you to the ClassLink login page. Here you can enter in your Virginia Beach username and password, authenticate, and you will be on your ClassLink Launchpad, similar to what you see on my screen now. Once signed in, select the Google Meet app, and that will take you to the Google Meet page. Here, you're only moments away from meeting up with me and getting the academic or technology support that you need. In the text box, you can enter in the join code VLCHELP, VLC HELP, all one word. Click join and you'll be live with me to get all the support that you need. As a reminder, I am live every day from 9:30 to 11. So anytime during that time window, you can pop in and say hello. The first week of school of each semester, I will be live all day, 8 to 3. So if it's that first week of school and you're stuck, go ahead and hop on because I'll be available. That's all for today's video. I hope you all have a wonderful day and hope you stop in to see me soon. Thank you.